A man who pulled a gun on concerned citizens and then chased them in a vehicle was at the Mesa County Justice Center today.
And that's where we find KREX5 reporter Ivan Fisher, who sat in on this hearing and has more on this case. Ivan.
Nearly 2 months ago, Levi Schwingdorf was alleged to have been breaking into a vehicle. But now he is in custody and he is facing charges much more severe than simply breaking into a vehicle. He is currently facing 3 counts of felony menacing along with 4 counts of felony assault. When he appeared in custody today, the district attorney's office did say that they have reached out to the 3 victims, but they have not gotten a call back. According to the victims, however, their confrontation led to a wild night. In late March, 3 individuals spot a man they believe to be breaking into a vehicle near the 500 block of 29.5 Road. They yelled at who is alleged to be Schwingdorf, who takes off south towards the Workforce Center on 29.5. This is where the 3 individuals say they asked Schwingdorf if he was breaking into cars. He then is alleged to pull out a handgun, point it at them, and reply, "Always." The 3 individuals say they took off but feared going straight home. They are believed to reach the intersection of Garfield Avenue and Mesa Avenue when a collision happens. This is when they say Schwingdorf allegedly is the driver of a Jeep that they have a collision with and starts yelling at them. The 3 individuals say they head to North Avenue and reach the area around 29.25 Road. And when the Jeep pulls up to their passenger side, Schwingdorf is alleged to pull out a tire iron out of his Jeep and started hitting their vehicle. Both cars keep going on 29 Road, eventually going different directions. Now, Schwingdorf is currently being held on a $5,000 bond and is set to be back in court on June 6th. However, that was not the only person that KREX was following in court today. A couple accused of sexually exploiting children in their home also made an appearance in custody. Robert and Sonia Adams were both in custody today, and they thought that they would be able to argue their bond. However, the Department of Human Services representative was unable to be in court. Sonia Adams is facing a 19-count complaint. Robert Adams is facing a 28-count complaint. This stems from a child reporting a camera being mounted in their bathroom. Robert Adams was a registered sex offender prior to this case. Now, they are currently both being held on a $25,000 bond, and Robert Adams will be back in court on June 6th, and Sonia Adams will be back in court on June 11th. KREX will continue to cover this for you. First on the Western Slope and live from the Mesa County Justice Center, I'm Ivan Fisher for KREX 5 News.
Ivan, thank you for that reporting there. In other legal news, a man accused of playing a role in a Mesa County cannabis grow operation appears in court today as well.
The defense for Martin Acosta says they are in preliminary discussions with the district attorney's office in this case. Acosta's defense also asked for the suspect to be allowed to go to Miami to live. But authorities are concerned that he may flee due to having strong ties in the state of Florida and being a Cuban national. During a sweeping operation hitting 13 homes in Mesa County, Acosta was one of the original 6 men arrested. This bust brought in 90 pounds of cannabis and over 1,000 cannabis plants. During interviews, a suspect in this case says they would receive $1,000 per pound of cannabis. Later investigation has brought to light that this potential drug trafficking organization was also manufacturing butane hash oil. Acosta will be back in court for an entry of plea hearing on August 8th.